The very first thing you want to do is go to roblox.com/create. Once you're on this website, you want to go ahead and download Studio by using the button over here. Once you download Roblox Studio, it's going to open up just like this. Once it's downloaded and opened, you're going to need to sign in. After that, you can go ahead and create a brand new base plate. Once your blank base plate is created, you want to go ahead and close all the tabs that you don't need. Make sure to have the Explorer, Properties, and Output window opened. Up here under the View tab, you can make sure all of these windows are open. I have my Explorer, Properties, and Output window open. The first thing we're going to do is delete the spawn point and place a part. I'm going to click plus on the workspace and click on part. This spawns in a little part for us, and what we can do is go ahead and go to home and use the scale tool to change the part's size. If you are watching closely, you can see in properties that the size property has changed. And if you look at some other properties, you can see what the brick color is, if it's casting a shadow, what the material is, and the transparency. If you'd like, you can go ahead and mess around with these properties a little bit. As you can see, when I move the transparency, it makes it more transparent. When you change the material, it changes what the part looks like. For now, I'm going to keep the default settings and create a brand new script. Let's create a script inside server script service. Click the plus beside server script service and create a script. Make sure it's not a module script or a local script. Make sure it is a normal script. When you create your script, you're going to see this line of code right here. This is what we call a print statement. Now that you've created your script, you'll see it under server script service. All these things like the base plate, part, and script are called objects. Even this texture right here is an object in the Explorer. If your script isn't open, go ahead and double click on it to open it up.